Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Chrome as your default browser on Windows and switch to a different one. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu and allow you to search for what you need. Once you see the search bar appear, go ahead and type Settings into it. You'll see the Settings app show up in the search results. Click on it to open the Windows Settings panel. Now that you're inside the settings window, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical menu with several options listed there. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This section handles all the applications installed on your computer, including which ones are set as defaults for different tasks like opening links or viewing files. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see additional options appear on the right side of the window. From these options, click on Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you control which programs handle specific file types and protocols. It's essentially the control center for deciding which apps open automatically when you click certain links or files. Now here's where you actually make the switch. In the search bar at the top of the Default Apps page, type in the name of the browser you want to use instead of Chrome. For example, if you want to make Brave browser your new default, type Brave browser into that search field. Once you type it in, the browser should appear in the results below. Go ahead and click on it to select it. After clicking on your chosen browser, you'll be taken to a new screen that shows all the default settings for that application. At the very top of this screen, you'll see a button that says Set Default. Click on this button to officially make your selected browser the new default for opening web links and handling internet protocols. This means that from now on, whenever you click a link in an email or document, it will automatically open in your new browser instead of Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully removed Chrome as your default browser and replaced it with the one you prefer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.